Welcome back to Erayak's production line. Let's witness the precision of engine assembly craftsmanship. In this video, we'll show you how engine valve rocker arms are installed and key steps in the process. As shown, after completing the automatic tightening station, the engine moves to the next procedure. The technician expertly places two high-strength metal rocker arms onto the support bolts. Next, the adjustment nuts for the rocker arms are installed. These alloy steel nuts offer exceptional strength and durability. Following this, high-strength locking nuts are applied to secure the adjustment nuts, enhancing overall stability. Once installed, the engine smoothly transitions to the next station for finer adjustments. Here, valve push rods are inserted into their designated positions and perfectly aligned with the rocker arms. The technician meticulously fine-tunes every detail to ensure precise alignment and smooth operation. Next, professional tools are used to firmly secure the connections between the push rods and rocker arms. These adjustments are critical, directly influencing the engine's efficiency and long-term reliability. After adjustments, the engine advances to the valve cover installation station, a crucial sealing step. The technician precisely aligns the valve cover onto the cylinder head and secures it with bolts. Every step is executed with precision, ensuring the high reliability of Erayak's products. From automation to manual operations, each process reflects Erayak's relentless pursuit of quality. For more information about our products and factory, feel free to contact us anytime. Stay tuned for more. More videos showcasing our generator production process are coming soon.